guys, welcome to Mega iTech System. You are on to learn with iSent Benson, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download Virtualbox. Alright, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video you will be the first to see it. And also please do like and share this video so that others will also learn and gain from it. Alright, let's dive into the video how to download Virtualbox. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google browser and you type Virtualbox. Now, if I'm downloading for Windows 10, so you can describe which Windows you download it for. If it's Linux or Windows or Mac you're downloading for, you state it. Alright, I'm downloading for Windows 10. Alright, then you click and wait for it to load. Alright, you go back to this particular one here and you click, you open it. Alright, we have Virtualbox here. Now be downloading this very one, this Windows 8, because I'm using a Windows operating system. So I'll click. Alright, see that it has entered my download here, so it's downloading. So wait for it to download before you can install. So by the time it finishes download, you can go to your download folder and you'll see your, okay, here we have the Virtualbox. Now let's install this Virtualbox. You click on it to install. So we'll click to install it. Click on next. I accept the main here. Click on I accept and click on next. Click on next. Yes. Yes. Okay. You can leave this on check, leave all this on check and click on next. Then click on install. And your Virtualbox will be installed to your computer. You may have to wait a few minutes for it to finish installing. Alright, that's finished installing. So you click on finish. And so we have our Virtualbox installed in our computer. So this is the Virtualbox. Now you can download any application with your Virtualbox by going to new. Go to new and you can come here and can download. Let's say I want to download Ubuntu. Can come here and write the name of the software you want to download and just click on next, and each way be downloaded through the virtual machine. Alright guys, if you gain value from this tutorial, please do share this video and also like my video.